Hi, I'm Mr. Heng. In this video, we will do some revisions on differentiations and optimizations. Question 1. Find f prime of x. That means you are asked to find the first derivative. Please pause the video to solve the three-part questions. Please check. So A, very simple. Your answer is 15x power 4. B, the answer is 6x squared plus 8x minus 3. As for C, you have to break it up into two fractions. You need not have to use the quotient rule, as this can be simplified into two fractions. Now you shall simplify the two fractions to make it into index form. So for the first term, x over square root x, you simplify, you shall get x to the power half. For the second term, square root x is power half. It is in the denominator. We bring it up, you shall get the power of negative half. You differentiate it, you shall get half x to the power minus half plus 5 times bracket minus half x, and the power minus 1 over 2 minus 1, you shall get minus 3 over 2. If you simplify it, you shall get this answer. Next, this is a second question. You are asked to find the stationary point of the function given here and determine their nature. Stationary points refer to either maximum, minimum, or point of inflections. To determine the nature of the points, you need to use second derivative. If your second derivative gives you a positive answer, that indicates a point of minimum. If it's negative, it will be maximum point. If you get a 0, then you need to use another method which we will show you later on. That could be the point of inflections. Please pause the video to solve this problem and check the solutions after you have completed the questions. So when we differentiate, we should get this answer. You simplify, you get 5x power 4 plus 20x cubed minus 105x squared. We equate to 0 and we factorize the common factor of 5x squared. You shall get the factorizations of the quadratic factors. When you solve it, you have three answers for your x. That is x equal to 0, x equal to minus 7, or x equal to 3. We sub the value of x into the expression of f of x. You shall get the corresponding value for y. Now we differentiate the second derivative. We will get 20x cubed plus 60x squared minus 210x. We are sub in the value of x equal to 0. Then we get the answer 0. In this case, we cannot determine whether the point is maximum or minimum. Then we shall use a first derivative use the sign diagram to determine the nature of the point. What we do is we use the x equal to 0 where we find the value of x. Then we take a value to the left hand side of the value 0. So we shall choose negative 1. And we sub into the dy dx or the f prime x. We get minus 120. Then we choose a point to the right and we sub into the f prime x, we get minus 80. So you will see that the curve, the negative gradient will indicate the sloping down. 0, the gradient is horizontal. Again, when you have a negative gradient, you have a sloping down. So you will see that the value here indicate that 0, 1 is a point of inflection. Then we will sub in the next point. When x equal to minus 7, we find that the second derivative gives you a negative value. Therefore, this point minus 7, 7204 is a maximum point. Then we sub in the next value, x equal to 3, we get a positive value. Therefore, the point 3, negative 296 is a minimum point. Now you shall try to do question 3 and revision question 1, 2, and 3. The solution shall be discussed during consultation. So you may pause the video and do question 3. Answer is given. So take your time to do it carefully. Next, this is a revision questions. So please do question 2 and question 3. This is the end of the video. Thank you, class.